Closing a conversation. Here's some phrases for closing a conversation and saying goodbye in English. Before leaving, it's polite to say something like, "Nice meeting you." That's for the first time only. After that, you can say, "It's been nice talking to you," for the second, third, or other times. You can also express thanks to the other person. For example, "Thanks for the dinner," or "Thanks for dinner. It was great. I really enjoyed the movie." Further connections. To indicate desire to meet again, you can say, "Hope to see you again soon." "Let's get together sometime." "I look forward to seeing you again." Or looking forward to another event, such as a football game. It's okay to give specific times and places if you have made arrangements. For example, "See you on Friday," or "See you Friday." "See you at the party." To indicate desire to meet again, you can say something like this: "Let's keep in touch." "I'll be in touch." "Call me," or "Text me." Note, if you have no strong intentions to see the other person again, say, "Nice meeting you. See you around." This usually means you have no future plans to see the other person again. At the moment of leaving, you can say something like, "Bye." This is common for adults in the US. Bye-bye is mostly for children. However, outside of the United States, this is quite common among friends. You can say, "See you later," or informally, "See ya," or "Catch you later." Body language. Sometimes a handshake or a hug is appropriate. Hope that was helpful. Please check out our channel and websites for other videos for intermediate and advanced levels. YouTube.com at English Free for You and ESLgold.com. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.